And how was your day? And how has it been going? I coming a little bit late this morning because I've been doing a lot of things. So let's just get straight into what we have this morning, and I'll round up with the last announcement concerning our Saturday class. Thank you for your responses and thank you for your interest, and most importantly, I give thanks to Sir Ebenezer for the opportunity. So let's get in. So this morning I saw this trade, and the market was moving, but wasn't moving very fine. But because I wanted to record this trade, so I took this trade, and not too long I saw it was like a news coming in, so I got out of the market. I left it. Here we have the same scenario because the time I entered, that's why I find it a little bit very difficult to record a live trade because of my timing. Because after the two trade, I left the trade and allowed the market to stabilize. So I saw this downtrend, and buyers were coming in and they were not very strong. So after these two candles, these sellers coming in, I knew sellers are now to take over, and that's why I went with the sellers here. This market is similar to what I had in the mistake. I saw these strong sellers, but I was just carried away of the fact that this is a round number, and the buyers just came in the round number. You know that as soon as it came in, the buyers went down again. But that's the round number that affected this one. Okay, so we need to watch our levels very well. We need to watch our level very well. Now, this one we have an uptrend. So in an uptrend, the only opportunity I'm looking for is to buy. Okay, in a downtrend, I look for opportunity to sell. In an uptrend, I look for opportunity to buy, because it's important to follow the trend. So when I saw a downtrend, I knew it was a minor downtrend, so I'm looking for opportunity to buy. So I wasn't here when all these things happened. So when I saw this one, the first candle came in, the second candle, then I went with the third candle. Okay, so similarly here is the same. You see this Aussie JPY and Aussie CAD, so behave very similar. So the same thing that happened here. After the first candle, the second candle, I went with the third candle. So New Zealand, of course, uptrend also. You can see after the first candle, the second candle, I went with the third candle. I always like to make sure that I confirm the trend. I don't just get into the trend, but that doesn't mean I enter the market after three candles. So somebody should not just think that it's after three candles, but I always like to confirm the trend. How do I do that? We are going to look into that together soon. So let's see JPY. So this is an uptrend, and I saw buyers are here, and all of these actions were taking place. I saw that buyers are trying to come in, but they are not able to. After this candle, buyers came in. Then the next candle, buyers are not able to. Sellers came in again and closed right under this place. So when I saw that, I went with the buyers, and that's why you see this very strong bullish candle. Now we have this also again. After these sellers coming in and sellers coming in, and I noticed at this level, I was expecting buyers to take it because the buyers are very strong, and it was my entry that saved me here. If not, I would have lost this trade. I entered a little bit down, where the buyers are. That's why I won this trade. Okay, so this is my last trade for now. I saw the same scenario here, sellers coming in, but I knew that these are buyers. So after these two candles, and they came down again, so I followed the buyers. So I love to trade in the direction of the trend. So finally, all things are ready for Saturday class. I want to advise you, just be available as fast as you can. The time is 2 p.m. GMT plus 1. 2 p.m. GMT plus 1 on the Saturday. You can just type convert to 2 p.m. Nigerian time to your country time, so that you can have your own timing and understand. I know the difference in some other countries, India, Pakistan, and all of that. But just go to online, type your timing, and convert it to your own. You will have it from Google. So I appreciate every one of you. Once again, special thanks to Sir Ebenezer. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.